Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your trusted source for honest and detailed motorcycle insights. Today, we're diving into one of Honda's most exciting new adventure machines, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's designed to bridge the gap between lightweight dual sports and full-size adventure bikes. The CRF 750L brings Honda's rally heritage together with modern touring capability, wrapped in that unmistakable Honda red that symbolizes speed, strength, and endurance. The evolution of the CRF line. Honda's CRF series has always stood at the heart of off-road excellence. From motocross legends like the CRF 450R to adventure favorites like the CRF 300L Rally, the lineup covers everything from track to trail. The new CRF 750L represents the next logical step, a mid-weight adventure bike built for riders who crave the durability of a dirt machine but want the comfort and range for long distance exploration. The L badge signals its dual sport nature, road legal yet fully off-road capable. The 2026 edition takes design cues from Honda's rally racers and combines them with touring practicality, design, and styling. The first thing you notice is that iconic Honda red. It's not just paint, it's a statement. The deep crimson finish with contrasting white and black decals gives the CRF 750L a sharp, race-inspired attitude. The front fairing is slimmer and more aerodynamic than before, featuring angular LED headlights and a tall windscreen that looks straight out of the Dakar Rally. Everything feels balanced. The slim midsection makes it easy to move around on technical terrain, while the sculpted tank and side panels maintain a clean, aggressive silhouette. The CRF 750L Red looks ready to charge across continents or dominate weekend trails. Engine and performance. At its core lies a 745cc parallel twin engine, derived from Honda's proven platform used in the NC 750 and XADV, but tuned differently for adventure use. Expect smoother throttle response, improved low-end torque, and a livelier top-end character. This engine produces around 75 horsepower and 70 Nm of torque, enough for strong acceleration both on tarmac and gravel. Liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and Euro 5 Plus compliant, it blends efficiency with reliability. Riders can choose between a 6-speed manual gearbox or Honda's updated dual-clutch transmission, DCT, a feature that's been refined to shift faster and smarter, adapting automatically to terrain and riding style. Chassis, suspension, and brakes. The CRF 750L rides on a lightweight semi-double cradle frame made from high-strength steel, offering excellent flex control and off-road durability. The suspension setup includes Showa USD 43mm forks up front with full adjustability and a Pro-Link rear shock that delivers about 220 mm of travel. With a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear, it's clear that Honda built this machine with genuine off-road intentions. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs with radial mount calipers and a single 256mm rear disc, backed by switchable ABS. On the trail, ABS can be turned off for precise brake control on loose surfaces. The result is a bike that feels light on its feet yet solid at high speeds, perfect for riders who switch between asphalt and adventure routes. Ergonomics and comfort is where the CRF 750L Red truly shines. The seat height sits around 850mm, giving good ground clearance without towering over average riders. The riding triangle, bars, seat, and pegs is tuned for long days in the saddle, allowing easy transitions between seated cruising and standing off-road posture. Wind protection has improved thanks to a taller adjustable screen and redesigned handguards. The seat uses a new multi-density foam for better comfort on longer rides. Even the passenger area has been slightly widened, with grab rails neatly integrated into the rear frame. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the CRF 750L with the latest tech without overwhelming the experience. The bike features a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing smartphone pairing for calls, music, and navigation. Riders get multiple riding modes: standard, sport, gravel, and user custom, each adjusting throttle response, traction control, and engine braking. A 3-level HSTC, Honda Selectable Torque Control System, ensures stability on tricky terrain, and off-road ABS mode fine-tunes braking for loose conditions. Full LED lighting, a 12-volt accessory socket, and an optional quick-shifter round out the feature set, proving that the CRF 750L is just as capable on the highway as it is in the dirt, on-road, and off-road experience on pavement. The CRF 750L Red feels surprisingly smooth. The parallel twin delivers linear power, and the aerodynamic design keeps wind buffeting to a minimum. At cruising speeds, it's stable and planted, with a refined exhaust note that hums confidently. Off-road, it transforms. The long travel suspension and large front wheel allow the bike to glide over obstacles, while the torquey engine provides all the grunt needed for climbing or sand work. The chassis balance feels natural. Enough flex for traction, yet stiff enough for precise control. Riders report that standing on the pegs feels intuitive, and the bike's weight disappears once it's moving. Fuel economy and range. Thanks to Honda's fuel-efficient tuning, the CRF 750L can deliver around 55 mpg, 23 km cell. Combined with its 20-liter fuel tank, that gives a potential range of over 400 kilometers. More than enough for long adventure routes without frequent stops. Price and competition pricing is expected to start around $10,999 USD for the manual version and a bit higher for the DCT model. That puts it directly against bikes like the Yamaha Tenere 700, Aprilia Touareg 6060, and KTM 790 Adventure. Honda's edge, however, lies in reliability, global service support, and a calmer, more approachable riding character. For riders who want a durable, mid-weight adventure bike that feels premium yet simple, the CRF 750L Red may become the most balanced choice in its class. Legendary Honda reliability, lightweight, genuine off-road geometry, powerful yet efficient, 745cc twin, comfortable for touring and trail DCT option for easy riding. Seat height may still be tall for beginners. Adventure accessories may add cost. Power may feel modest next to 900cc rivals. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red is more than a new motorcycle. It's a statement from Honda that adventure doesn't have to mean compromise. It's fast, capable, efficient, and stunning in that classic red that every Honda fan loves. Whether you're carving through city streets or crossing mountain passes, this machine promises to deliver excitement and dependability every single day. It's the perfect mix of trail toughness and touring comfort. A true adventure companion built to last. Thank you for watching Bike Review Pro. If you love deep dive, motorcycle reviews, and want to stay updated on new launches like the CRF 750L Red, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon. Until next time, ride hard, ride safe, and keep the adventure alive.